Hello everyone. Well, thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to show you the capability of the filament supply in etracer. Okay, so in the spec, the output capability of the filament supply in etracer is 3 amp maximum current and 30 watts maximum power. Okay, so but in reality, the output power of each the filament supply in each tracer can be easily uh, exceed 30 watts, and the output current maximum output current is more than 4 amps. But I mean, if you want to operate the filament supply at that range, forced cooling is forced ventilation is required. So with the model 01 chassis, I have a opening for the 8cn chassis fan, so that fan must be installed. And I got questions from the users, like asking me what type of chassis fan is required. So if the again, if the chassis 01 is used, you can use a very slow ACM fan like this. This is the Panasonic Panaflow chassis fan for personal computers. I got this like 10-15 years ago, and it was a very popular choice. It's very slow. The current rating is 0.1 amp, and it's like 1/800 RPM or so, very slow, but it's quiet. So with this fan at the output of 60 watts, the temperature on the heatsink is around 70 degrees Celsius. So it's not perfect, but it still keeps the system operational. So, but if you want to reduce the temperature even more, you might need to install a more powerful fan, more RPM. But usually, the higher the speed, the noisier the fan. So it would be nice if the speed of the fan can be controlled by a temperature sensor. So I actually found a solution at Taobao, Chinese eBay. It's this guy. So it's a very small module. It has a temperature sensor, and this is the input of the 12-volt voltage supply, and this is the this connector. This is a connector for the chassis fan, and with this guy, you can control whether or not to stop the fan below a certain temperature. And when it reaches the threshold, the fan will start, and you can configure the curve. You can control when at what temperature the fan will reach its full output. So it's quite a flexible module. Everything is configurable. So I actually installed one in the etracer, and this is the size of the module. I use a 3N dual lock tab to fix this guy on the side panel where the power supply module is mounted. Okay, so with this guy, we can control the speed of the fan in the chassis. So let me show you how it works. So again, I'm testing a GN70 here. So let's download the configuration file for GN70. Connect. Switch on heater. Okay, you can see the tube lights up, and the voltage is 20.5 volt now, and the current is 3.6. Okay, So as you can probably hear the fan start to rotate, and the speed will like gradually increase because the heatsink is pretty hot for because the output power is exceeding 60 watts now. Okay, and if you switch off the heater, the fan will slow down gradually. So personally, I think it's a very good modification, and with this modification, the etracer remains quiet when you measure like small signal tubes like 12X7 or 12 AU7, that kind of stuff, and the fan will will spin quietly when you test tubes like 300B or KT80A, and the speed will only the fan will only spin at full speed or near close to the full speed when you test the big tubes like GN70 or 845. Okay, so it's pretty good. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.